Hi Andy, this is Unkshu. Do you recognize this place? I'm kind of filming it from the unusual angle, but I'm gonna move on the right and you will definitely recognize it. And you know this strange monument to the red partisans. So this, sorry, it was blurry, and this is kind of not exactly Izhora river. This is Trofimov stream, but this is Izhora arm. So you can, so we count it Izhora too. So I'm gonna move on the right. I have a few minutes before getting on my train. As you can see, the waterfall is very slow today. Almost no waterfall. It's very bright and it's very hot. That's why I think it's so dry. And well, I don't think that this path used to be before the reconstruction, but now it's not that hard to get down. Yeah, this river needs some help. I don't know, because there were a few times when it was very dry, almost no water, and it survived a few catastrophes, ecological catastrophes. I don't know why, but now that I'm standing here, it feels different. It feels like it's very low, and when it was winter, it seems like the altitude that I'm standing on was very high. It felt different, but now I don't know. Okay. I think there will be a lot more water as some snow falls down. What's on the other side? It's nothing interesting. I'm just gonna show you. I just can't see any ducklings. I saw two people fishing. Like I said, I don't really understand what they can catch here. Maybe only trash. And as you can see, there is very greenish and bluish algae, very harmful for the ecosystem, and they're definitely poisonous, and I cannot focus my camera. Okay, and this is the old cemetery. It's very old, and these graves are very old too, and this is the chapel. And like I told you previously, over there is a garage cooperative where our garage used to be when we owned Zhiguli 5 car. So I'm on the other side, and as you remember, in spring I was filming it, and from on that side, and I started filming in the bush, but there's a lot of trash, and I really stepped on something suspicious, I don't know, so I don't want to go in the bush. As now I'm going to work, and I think that I should be going back to the platform in order not to miss my train, but I really lucked out. I just got the result of my x-rays, and I'm glad that it's okay. It's ridiculously hot. It's like I was standing at the bus stop, and I felt that I was about to get toasted. So, okay, I'm gonna get back, I think. I hope you like the weather. Yeah, and I hope you have a good day too. I think this is gonna be a good day, because when the weather is so gorgeous, what can go wrong, right?